Can Disney Plus be streamed on Discord? So if you want to know that if Disney Plus can be streamed on Discord or not, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your Disney Plus at first. So go with your website and then search for Disney Plus. I mean, go with the browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then just search for Disney Plus. Go with www.disney.com and make sure that you've logged into your account and make sure that you're playing any movie or something like that. And after that, just close it, and then you need to open up your Discord. And once you open up your Discord, now you need to go with a server, any server that you're comfortable with. And after that, go with the channel, voice channels. Here, I'm just going to the general channel. Just click on the voice channel and it will connect to a voice channel. Once you've connected, now here you will have share your screen. And once you click on share your screen, then it will start sharing your screen. You just need simply click on it, and then you need to select the browser. If you have the Disney Plus application, you can just simply go with the application option, and then you can just go with go live. And once you click on go live, then it will start sharing your screen. That's how you can watch Disney Plus from Discord. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.